arrived at the DRV PNK Stadium for day one of Miami Summit. We've got all the students over there, all fresh-faced and ready for a big day of action. We've got a stadium tour this morning, then we've got a couple of guest speakers and then a networking session later. An amazing facility, as you can see. Lovely weather to start off here. Okay guys, so we're inside the stadium now. As you can see, an amazing stadium. I'm here with Clark.
Look at the stadium, like, it's a very nice colour scheme, lovely pitch as well. Very tempting to go on, but it's good to be here.
Okay, so that is the halfway mark of day one of the summit. We've just heard from Wally Dreska, who is the Senior Director of Communications at Inter Miami. So we've got a few more guest speakers, and then we're going to do some networking drinks later. Hey guys, I'm with Christopher Corey. So what's the thing that's impressed you most about the students today?
You know, the initiative that they have to come over to the United States and learn about what we're doing in football professionally, that's really impressive. Taking the initiative and hustling is the biggest thing that I hope they take away from this trip.
Like a bit of advice we get, don't just focus on the education, make sure you're trying to get practical experience as well alongside the course, because that's going to help in the long run of trying to find work and trying to find job roles in the industry.
Day two in Miami with UCFB. Let's talk about day one. So what did we do, Matt?
Well, we had a great tour of the DRV PNK Stadium. Got to see actually a journalist in the press room, which was really insightful, and obviously you don't get that if you're not here.
Then in the evening we had a networking event. Loads of interesting guests came in who we got to talk to.
Day two here in Miami, beautiful weather. Today, just finished a talk from Jonathan Martinez, who works at CONCACAF as well. So got a few more, really looking forward to it.
Hi guys, so I'm here pitchside with John. If you just want to introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about yourself.
Yeah, I'm a senior solutions partner at Huddle, and I live in the States now and take care of our strategy and pro and college soccer. They asked some really smart questions about the industry and how they can build their profile in the industry, and that was just nice to see.
Perfect, thanks. Nice one, mate.
All right.
Appreciate it, thank you.
All right.
Everybody is really excited about the direction of sports in the US, but specifically the direction of soccer in the US. I think with the 2026 World Cup coming here, and obviously Miami is going to be one of the places going to be hosting games, everybody is super excited.
When you come here, you have to adapt yourself, and it's a very fast-paced environment, so you have to adapt yourself, and like here, nobody gives a no for an answer.
Been at it already, had my tarot read. Things are looking up for me, that's what my tarot said.
Day three, we're on the way to Hard Rock Stadium, which is the home of Miami Dolphins.
Where are we going today?
I don't know, are we going Hard Rock?
Yeah.
Hard Rock?
Where are we going? Nice little Inter Miami shirt as well.
What was it, $65?
We're going to Miami Dolphins Stadium, and I'm really looking forward to it.
So have you enjoyed the summit so far?
Oh, it's been brilliant.
And you're a first year student, so obviously coming into UCFB only a few months ago, it's obviously a pretty cool experience.
I mean, it's unbelievable, and I've been saying, what other university gives you this type of experience?
Where are we heading after?
College basketball game.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Excited to watch that. Ever watched a basketball game
Never
before?
watched a basketball
Only High
game.
School Musical.
Yeah.
It's huge. It is huge.
I think the stadium's absolutely amazing. It reminds me of Crawley Town back at home. You know, the nice blue sky, the palm trees, absolutely beautiful.
We just been to the whole stadium home in Miami Dolphins. The stadium absolutely massive, great stadium.
They're guest speakers from the marketing and also partnerships directors from the Dolphins.
Yeah, very adaptable. Didn't realise how much went on there and how many different sports are able to take place there.
Yeah,
everything.
Formula One, they're building a tennis court.
Yeah.
Now we are on our way to our first live event.
We're going to watch some women's basketball. Really excited. Can't wait to see it.
But yeah, bye.
Okay guys, we've just been at the Hurricanes game. Zach, Ben talking about
Fantastic atmosphere. I think we made it quite top. What do you think, Ben?
Yeah, we have probably the best chants out there. American chants don't really hit the same as English. Yeah, we carried the thing.
Just every little thing is gonna be alright. So guys, just looking back at the footage of the Hurricanes game last night, and it was a really cool difference between the UK and the US college scene, between university and college, and just the production value of the US college game is so much greater than UK. Today we're going to the Heat game versus the Magic, so that should be really cool, really looking forward to that.
Highly gifted, my jacket's thrifted. Watch me get a pattern shifted, just acting different. Living in my minutes, I'm catalytic. That's why they love to jack the style like it's on a Civic. I will never pull the strings like an oligarch. I do my dance at the club with the lonely hearts, watching all these little men try and be Bonapartes and make the rest of us deal with their broken parts. Despite evil, I like people. Put your hands in the air if you're by. Thanks for joining us. The lonely hearts, watching all these little men try and be Bonapartes and make the rest of us deal with their broken parts. Despite evil, I like people. Put your hands in the air if you're bipedal. Yeah, if life is a film, give me 5 sequels. Trying to pull my thread through the plot like a fine needle. All of these lines equal proof that I live alone. Got the benefit of time to deliver flows. Creamy peanut butter, buddy, I live the bowl. Brings my soul body into the physical. New cards, new deck, new life. King of cups, he comes upright. Always, all days, all nights, sing. Do I. New cards, new deck, new life. King of cups, he comes upright. Always, all days, all nights, sing. Do I.
Hello there. It's too noisy. I need to wait. Come on,
Last night we went to the Miami Heat and we even went to go onto the court at the end to take a free throw. One of the best experiences of my life. You only get it here at UCFB. Dante, what did you think?
Yeah, it was amazing. The first basketball game I've ever been to, and I would love to go back, obviously, but it's just an amazing experience to be able to do that, yeah, especially in the first year at university.
Yeah, unbelievable. I mean, what university not only allows you to go out to Miami, but also to go on the court to take a free throw?
Yeah.
Unbelievable. It's a shame we both missed.
Yeah, exactly.
Last full day of the summit, and we're heading to the FLA Live Arena to watch the Panthers. Really looking forward to my first ice hockey game, so hopefully it's a good one.